Hi, this is 101 Memory Lab. What is an SSD? How do you pick one? Do you remember these? And now we have this.
Today, more and more people are using this instead of this. So what is an SSD?
An SSD, or a solid-state drive, stores data just like a hard drive. But a hard drive has mechanical parts. It has platters and heads. This makes it noisier, and this makes it heat up a bit more. An SSD does not have any mechanical parts. It uses flash ICs. This helps it stay cool and quiet. An SSD also comes in many shapes and sizes. An SSD stores data very differently to a hard drive. There's a lot that goes on inside the SSD. Now, an SSD is just like a book. It consists of pages. When we read a book, we read from a single page. If I'm writing to a book, I write to a single page, just like an SSD. Now, a number of pages make up a block. A number of blocks put together make up an IC, and a number of ICs come together to form an SSD. Now, the crucial difference between a hard drive is when we're reading and writing to pages in an SSD. But when we want to erase any data, I can't just rub it out. I need to erase an entire block, which consists of many pages. SSDs can be used in both commercial and consumer environments as well as harsh industrial environments. These can withstand shock and vibration, temperature to certain extents, as well as any magnetic interference. Industrial environments are very harsh environments that are found all over the world in various different applications, various different industries. Harsh environments are typically where temperatures are highly elevated or very low. Think about real world. If you're exploring the wilderness of Canada in winter, temperatures can drop to -30, -40 degrees, sometimes even lower than that. Now think about hot places, or think about any other places where you have a lot of machines which generate a lot of heat. Think about mining for cryptocurrency. Bitcoin miners generate a lot of heat. Places like this, an SSD can prove very beneficial. They can withstand heat, tested to the right industrial temperatures and profiles, can keep your data safe.
Another thing to consider when you're using an SSD is vibration and mechanical shock. Think about various industries such as automotive, driving cars and trucks, aircraft, helicopters, drones, various environments like these where vibration is a major problem to data. It can result in losing your data. An SSD can withstand these vibrations and keep your data safe.